Market opened 3 minutes ago now. Fake to the downside. Now we went up. Just a sweep. Hopefully we can just take out London highs and then just start reversing, because that would just give us like a clear conviction that we're just going to go down. I mean, maybe even Asian highs, like that'd be good too, because we got probably a very high time frame imbalance here. Yes, going to the upside, seeking out liquidity. What's liquidity, guys? Liquidity is this. That's all it is, guys. Above highs and below lows. Now some draws are stronger than others, but that's a story for another day. This is trendline liquidity. None of it swept out, so this is actually pretty solid, relatively equal. But like these big kind of sweeps, these are really strong, like significant, especially previous session. And then we got excuse me, 4 hour. Then we got 4 hour / 1 hour high time frame lows, draws on liquidity. Those are strong, especially when they can get stacked up. So my bad, guys. I was talking to my broker. Just bought $100 more of Bitcoin. I don't know if we'll go even lower. I mean, because that's just like such a good spot for a reversal. So I just bought another $100 at 91ish. So see what happens. We're still up 2% today. Alright, yeah, we just swept out London lows. Really don't want to go long today. But I mean, if we have to, then yeah, like these are decent draws. Just don't want to go against the overall order flow, you know. Alright, yeah, so NQ swept it out, but ES didn't, so we do have a bullish SMT on top of all that. So maybe we do go up, and we did have, where'd it go? We do have this bullish SMT here, high time frame too. Alright. I mean, yeah, if we can go lower and take out Asia lows, like, yeah, these are, if this was a little lower, this would be a really strong draw. Yeah, if we go lower, take out Asia, and I think if we see a reversal of the upside, I wouldn't mind targeting this London high, all this trend line liquidity, and maybe set another TP at Asia, take partials here. But I mean, yeah, we'll figure it out, see what it gives us. Yes, just didn't sweep it out. I don't know what's going on. I think it's just liquidity to maybe take London highs, and then we can see a reversal. Because, I mean, if we do take London, we are in one big imbalance here. So I think we're likely to see a reversal after we sweep London highs. Maybe then we can look for shorts. Nothing happened in previous sessions, so I can't take any continuation trades. We're looking for a sweep, and then the rest of our confluences. So yeah, we did get a sweep here, I guess you could say. We got 79% extension above here, so above this thing here. Wait. Okay, yeah, right above this. Move down's high. And I think I would rather wait for break a structure, but I'm not taking long. I won't do it. I won't do it. Nope, nope, nope. Longs are looking insane though. Like insane. This is already, we could already use this as confirmation. We can use SMT divergence as confirmation. So I'll mark it out if you guys don't see it. Well, we do have to wait for this up candle to close actually. But I mean, it's not going to close down here. I don't think so. So yeah, low. ES made higher low, and Q, you can guess it, made a lower. Not yet actually. Oh man. Where are we going here? Alright, so it didn't make anything yet. Good, we'll sweep out Asia. Actually, I'd rather we not. Fuck it. We might take a long today. The reason I haven't marked out the SMT yet is because we haven't made a low. Because a low is made up of move down and move up. Here. Draw it out. Where's the brush? I don't know how to draw. Here we go. Alright, yeah, so move down. What's this color? Yeah, it's a move down and a move up. That makes a low. It's different on this obviously, but we still kind of use the same rules. And obviously, making a high is vice versa. Move up, move down, white, black. So when we make a move up, then I can mark out, yeah, like this. Then I can mark out that an SMT divergence has been made. Yes, still hasn't taken London. Low. Don't think. We're also making a new high here. Could be a good target. Drawn liquidity. So I mean, I really did want to take shorts, but I didn't have any entries. Didn't sweep anything, so it is what it is. We took London on ES, and we're gonna take Asia. No SMT yet. And honestly, that SMT's gone because I took London. But we have an SMT with Asia. So if we reverse off Asia, then we have an SMT. That's one of our 4 confirmation confluences. Oh, no. Here you go. No. Alright, whatever. We're trading, not doing grammar. Come on now. Alright. Potential SMT here. Lower low. Higher low. So at this point, are we closer to London high? Yeah, definitely 41. Look at that. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna play a patient game, and we are not going to take a trade unless we have total confirmation, because yesterday I entered off of an inverse on only one index. Had I waited for an inverse on the other index too, I wouldn't have entered, and I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. Or even wait for breakage structure, because that didn't happen either. But curiosity got the best of me, I guess you could say. So yeah, it looks like we're only going to sweep out some of these highs. If London swept out Asia, I mean, this would be like a textbook short. It'd be awesome, because if London swept out Asia, we'd be looking for 5-minute manipulation. I mean, this is a hell of a manipulation here, and we get confirmation out right here on the inverse, probably on both indexes, I'm gonna assume. But I mean, yeah, that would have been a great trade. Alright, no more SMT. Yeah, this is weird, I don't know. We're priming for longs now, but yeah, like I said, we have this. I don't know if, excuse me, sweeping out these lows kind of makes this SMT invalid or not, but I'll just look it up. Oh, alright, yeah, so I guess it is invalid. Excuse me. Alright, so we won't use that then. I marked that out yesterday too, right? Yeah, I did. But we didn't sweep it out until... Alright. So at this point, if we were to reverse now, which we probably will, we need to close somewhere above here. On both indexes, because I'm not going without both. See how Bitcoin's doing. Damn, around $10. That's alright. Yeah, Bitcoin's up 1.7 today. We're moving down. Shit, man. I guess the Orb guys are having a freaking field day today. Orb is opening range breakout. So some use a 5 minute, some use a 15. I think more use the 5. So pretty much, Orb, you get set range and you wait for closure out. We get on this candle. Some enter off the closure, some wait for a retest, but if you're entering off just closure, you gotta stops at like halfway about. You got a pretty solid 1-to-1. Maybe even lower. Price just leaves us. Or maybe even lower these lows. But that's not us. Hopefully not you either. Going for those lows without us. This is so weird. Let's see what Daddy Fib says. Daddy Fib. Whoa, look at that. Right off of 1.618. That's crazy. Oh, this is so boring. Nothing. London, gone. I'll keep Asia there for now. Are we at least forming any sort of SMT? I mean, This low at 24,410. What time is this at? 17, 3 o'clock. Yeah, both made higher low, obviously. Thought we would have better price action than this. And we still got 10-ish minutes. 10, 20. Should have waited to buy on that Bitcoin. It's coming back down. Yeah, we just went for this low without me. No sweep, just straight. I mean, I don't get what liquidity was swept out. 30 minute? Alright, yeah, some 30-minute high got swept. Guess that was enough to fuel this move down. Just 30 minute here. Sweep. We didn't even have like an uptrend. But I guess yeah, we break structure here. If there even was structure. Get a retest for continuation. It's equilibrium. I mean, what the hell, bro? This is so weird. It's been low to... Yeah, I don't know, man. Not something I would have traded. Kind of low, 17 to 5 in 30 minutes. Alright, we have a 30-minute SMT. This is the 30-minute low. I'm gonna mark it out. What the hell? You gotta be perfect. Alright, 30-minute SMT. Could go for a long here, but we didn't even sweep out the low. This is the low. I don't get it. 30 minutes. Getting some movement here. Creating some movement. Anyways. On the fib, we got 79% up here. So we need closure above there. Or I think I'd be fine taking but yeah, there's a gap here. Sure. Taking an inverse off of this. This might be continuation to go lower though. Hit that bearish for value gap, could go lower. Sweep out that low before we go up. And ES, 5 minute, high here, low there, 79%. But I'll go off inverse. Maybe go off inverse. I'm either going off inverse or 79% on both. ES didn't hit anything. NQ did. We'll see. Because if you're not like at least 80%, you're like very sure that price won't do something. I mean, I wouldn't take a trade. I made that mistake. A lot. I recorded. tap in. Yeah. Alright. Now we scroll on Instagram until such things happen. Alright, prediction. Price will go. Came down, swept out a 30-minute low. Entered this fair value gap here. We're going to sweep out this 4-hour low. And we're going to go higher. That's where we take our trade. Was there news? What time zone is this? At 2 in the morning? Or is today Wednesday? No, Tuesday. Alright. What's going on? NQ in this 5-minute, ES in this 5-minute. Alright, maybe we don't sweep out this low. Just find that hard to believe. I guess they're creating liquidity by not immediately taking it out. Some people are entering long. Stops right here. They come down, push price down, grab the sell orders. Come below this. Maybe. I doubt it. Below this one. And then they fucking rip it back up. They make the market, man. That's what they do. Check CBD. The hell? Crazy people on the street. I mean, we're right there. Wait, what is this? I want those sell orders. Oh, oh, oh. It's because I stopped. My bad. Yep, see? Just needs a little. Alright, I'm done. It's reverse now. I'm joking. And the crazy people drink on the street. Alright. Looks like we're reversing. I mean, we could use this as high as a break of structure. Do I want to? Yeah. Well, I don't know. Honestly, we might inverse this guy before we even do. Oh, damn. Why am I looking for a long? Wait, why am I looking for a long? It's against the bias. What am I doing? What am I doing? This is perfect shorting opportunity. Perfect shorting opportunity. But I don't want to take a short. Alright, wait a minute. Are we in a 15 minute? Okay, we're in a 15 minute. We inverse this shit, I target this low. just want a better price, guys. They just want a better price. Look at that. I just want a better price. Same with ES. Come on, stay in it. Okay, they already just tapped in equilibrium. And that 5 minute. That's one big 15 minute, but I don't discriminate. Let's see. Yeah, we tapped in a discounted 2 minute. We inverse this. I go short. About the 1 minute. Okay, no. Wait for 2 minutes. I'll probably go short on NQ because I do not have good experiences with ES anymore. Wait, fuck. What is this? ES? NQ. Fuck. Short. Here. Stops above there. This. Not the best there, actually. 0.78. I mean, I'm gonna go break even at this low anyways, but yeah, we didn't get confirmation yet for long, but 2 minute. Do we get a better RR on ES? Yeah, but ES probably won't take out that low. You know what? Maybe it does. I hate ES, bro. I don't want to. absolutely nothing. When the crazy people on the street. Dude, it triple topped. I want to enter short.
Order filled.
Oh, we're risking hella. What the fuck? Alright, we're going break even at low here. Guys, I entered because we triple topped on ES and NQ in this fair value gap, and we got a 1 minute breakage structure out this low here. We broke here, and we got a really good price here. Well, we would have, but it's fine that we didn't. We entered here. Yeah, I think it'll go lower. We're going break even here. We won't take any partials, but we're gonna get a risk-free trade when we go there. Hopefully we can inverse this 2 minute gap here. That would be great. On both indexes, but it's looking like we will, and we need more liquidity to seek out before we do push up higher. So I think this is just a good short. We inverse it, good sign. I wish I didn't have a loss limit here because I would put my stops above this fair value gap, but this will do, above those highs. And now we wait, just wait. As soon as price hits this green, if we even wick it, I'm putting stops at break even. This is actually a pretty good trade. Could have taken on both indexes. Yeah. Honestly, we could even push, and it's in line with the order flow. That's what I wanted to do all along. But yeah, So I think hopefully we can break this low, sweep this low, maybe even ES. Maybe we can push it even lower in NQ, but I'm not gonna bet on that. I'm happy with this. Just stack up wins. Now, imagine we go break even here and we fucking stopped out. That would be awesome. I did it on TradingView. It said I could put my stop here, but I guess price did push lower before we were able to enter. Yeah, I'm really happy with this trade. If we lose, it's fine. Because, I mean, I hate using like the term support and resistance, but, I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Could go break even now. One of my rules is that we go break even at 1-to-1, but also go off of the leg that goes into our continuation. So that's why I have it down here. But I'm confident that this could reject again. Or at least get back down to here. And I wonder how many people already went break even. So it could grab maybe some liquidity here at break even, but I don't know. I'm just gonna hold. I mean, we did end up inversing at 2 minute on both indexes. Great sign. These are the times you really just gotta fucking say fuck it and let it go. Could just be a retrace for all I know. And this would have been great entry if I did enter up here. But, yeah, what would it have been? Yeah, that's crazy. gets so laggy when I'm in a trade. I don't know why, but what are you gonna do? Come on, just hit the green so I can go break even. I want to avoid lunch hour. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh, bro, it's edging. Damn. There's a big buy there. $10.30 to 1. Imagine we get stopped out and we didn't go break even. So I guess there was, yeah, those 2-minute, 3-minute lows. Or liquidity. There's just no way we don't go lower. Shit better play out, bro. That's a strong draw now. Damn near equal lows. Just wish I get my stop up here. It is what it is, though. And I'm not going break even until this gets hit.
just woke up and I went to my vault dashboard, and these are my deposits overnight. You can see 500, 100. If we go to the other page, 100, 60, 50, 80, and it just keeps going, bro. That all adds up to $1,500 in the last 24 hours. It has never been easier than right now. You aren't clipping or doing something online to make money. I honestly don't know what to do.
Most people are just born to lose. Artificial intelligence is here. Video from text prompt is here. Everyone understands this, everyone knows how to use it. So what do they use it for? They make cute videos of them being a buddy with their girlfriend, holding hands. Look, we're buddies, babe. Or sending stupid videos mocking their friends in the friendship group chat, calling one of the other guys gay. Hey, look, I made a video where you're gay. You don't need to make a video where he's gay. He's gay anyway. Gays are threats for shit. I know that as a fact.
Oh,
Because you
God.
have a brain. You'd be sitting here thinking, how do I use this technology to make money? How do I get rich from this? You don't care about using AI to entertain. You don't want to make TikTok slop. You want to get rich. Everything else you're doing with it is a waste of time. When gunpowder was first invented, there were people who sat
Bro, they're
there
buying this up at this low. It's crazy, man. Kind of want to close. We'll let it test one more time. This is crazy, man. I mean, they're just making these beautiful draws. Relatively, it just took these relatively equal lows. Here, actually, we didn't take it on in Q. We could reverse off this green line. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe. I'm hoping not, but.
Order
There
filled.
we go. Alright, guys. Just getting a little worried there, I'm not gonna lie. It kept going lower. Yeah, it's awesome. I'll show the entry one more time. We were bearish all day, just bearish order flow. We get a 15-minute fair value gap here, bearish. Yeah, and then tap into it on 5-minute. We get a break of structure out with this candle. Could have entered, but I wanted to wait. And we retest the fair value gap, creating like a 3 different signs that we are respecting this fair value gap. And then I could have entered on this wick here, but I just didn't. I was kind of getting my risk size. But we enter down here, and yeah, the TP one break even at this green line that we edged like 2 different times. But yeah, that's all.